Hello everyone, welcome back to the UltFone channel. In today's video, we will delve into how to fix an iPhone lock to its owner and remove the iCloud activation lock on an iPhone. Before we begin, let's first look at a widely used tool, 3U Tools. Many users try to use 3U Tools to remove the iCloud activation lock, but this process can be quite complicated, often involving multiple technical steps such as manually flashing firmware and using additional third-party software. For users unfamiliar with these advanced operations, this process can be both time-consuming and confusing. Therefore, we recommend using UltFone iPhone Unlock, which is a simpler and faster solution. Now let's see how it works. First, connect your iPhone to the computer and launch UltFone iPhone Unlock. Next, select Remove iCloud Activation Lock and click Start. The program will automatically put your device into recovery mode, then follow the on-screen instructions to enter DFU mode for jailbreaking. To start, click Start and simultaneously hold down the volume down and power buttons. When the countdown ends, release the power button but continue holding the volume down button until your device successfully enters DFU mode. UltFone iPhone Unlock will then begin the jailbreaking process, which usually takes about 10 minutes, so please be patient. After a successful jailbreak, your iPhone will automatically enter recovery mode. The process of removing the activation lock has already begun. This step will be completed quickly. Just wait for the tool to finish its task. Once successfully removed, your device will restart. If you receive an iPhone is locked to the owner message, do not worry, just continue with the setup process. Then you can access and use your iPhone as expected. The iCloud activation lock removal process is complete. For those interested, the download link for UltFone iPhone Unlock can be found in the video description. This tool is designed to help solve various password issues on iPhone, iPad, and iPod devices, allowing users to have complete control over their devices. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.